This is Heidi from R Enterprises with a 5-minute walk-around video of ReMAN ambulance number 1490. It is in new condition. It has a Braun module mounted to a new 2023 Ford F450 with a 7.3-liter V8 gasoline engine. It is 4-wheel drive and equipped with a liquid spring suspension. Your overall length is 300 inches. Your overall height is 112 inches, and your headroom is 72 inches. It has all new paint. It has an all new aluminum diamond plate package with rear flip-up step. It has all new rub rails and new Fenderettes. This unit is equipped with new LED Whelen warning and scene lights, and also a new Whelen Siren and speaker. This unit comes with a full Ford delayed start warranty, and it is ready for sale immediately. Your left front compartment has adjustable shelves with a bracket for your self-contained breathing apparatuses. It is also equipped with a new Cusmal shoreline with a Vanner indicator, letting you know if your unit is charging, fully charged, or not getting adequate power. Your L2 compartment has ample amount of storage with an adjustable shelf. Your left rear compartment has additional SCBA brackets and adjustable shelving. Your load height is 34 inches knelt or 38 inches at full ride height. Let's step up in. You have a new striker floor rail ready for your new power load and power cot. It has all new plexiglass throughout. You have a left side CPR seat with aft and forward action area. In your forward action area, it houses a sharps and waste container. It has a slide-out drawer with writing surface. You have oxygen outlets, 125 volt outlets, an all new rear switch panel. You have a new EVS attendant seat with the child integration. It is a 4-point seat. Behind your attendant seat houses your new power distribution quarters, the new Vanner inverter and charger, and an all-new RC-tronic electrical system. With that new electrical system, as stated, you get that new rear switch panel, and you also get a new front console with switch panel as well. This unit is equipped with an all-new Hoseline HVAC system. Your ALS cabinet has inside-outside access, additional storage below and above, glove compartments over your curbside door, man saver, waste, and sharps at the head of your squad bench, storage below, sliding erase boards. At the rear of your squad bench, you have access to your oxygen tank and additional storage. Your right rear compartment houses your backboards and a universal bracket for your oxygen tanks, again with inside-outside access. Your right front compartment, your ALS with inside-outside access, adjustable shelving, additional storage, separate from your 2 batteries down below. This unit has 4 batteries total, 2 in your ALS compartment and 2 under hood. If you would like additional information on ReMAN ambulance number 1490, please give us a call at 833-736-6868 or visit our website at www.renterprisesllc.com. Thank you.